Guys, I know it's been a long time until I uploaded, so that's my bad on my side. I just didn't have any ideas to upload, so yeah, here I am uploading. So the idea is to get every single brawler on max tier. So we're starting out with Edgar, but I've already got Lily on max tier. You know, she's like my favorite brawler right now, but yeah. I was gonna like film it and stuff, but I just didn't. I was too grinding, you know. Well, we're gonna start with Edgar. Got Rockwell Brawl to start out with. We have him on tier 44. So let's see how this goes. Oh my. And also, guys, Supercell has made a new game called Moco or Mo.co, whatever you call it. The game is sick. If you guys want me to play it, I'll play it. Oh, where's this guy going? Is this dumb? He's a freaking noob. Don't you come here? Yeah, be scared. Oh, freak. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, my bad. That was my bad. I'm a noob. I'm actually a noob. Oh my god. No way I do that. No way. That's not happening. That's not happening. That's not happening. That is not happening right now. We're gonna cook. We're gonna cook. We're gonna cook. Okay? We're gonna cook. Not gonna lie, the song, the lobby song, it's fire. It is fire. Every time. Oh my god. Where is it? Yeah, boy. Yeah, take that. Get. Oh my god. My aim. Kid thinks he's good. He thinks he's good. No, you're not. I am. I'm the best brawler in Showdown. Well, second best brawler in Showdown. Okay, where is more people? I need more people. Where are you people? Or should I just camp? Until I first play there's two brawlers left. Obviously I can't camp here. Oh my god, there's another Edgar. Should I? Oh my god, Mo. Mo, you don't want this, Mo. Yeah, Mo. Exactly. No, Edgar, no. No, Edgar, bad Edgar. No. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Edgar. Go away. Go away.
Great, now everyone hates me.
I fumbled. I have fumbled. I'm so bad. Oh, freak off. What is wrong with you? So weird. No, Leon, we chill. We chill. Leon, we chill. You can team. Or you can die. No! Oh my god. How did I just counter that Edgar? I don't care if I got rank for it at this point. I just need to get that. And I'm actually trying to get this. The Mythic Star Drop. It's calling me. Oh yeah. And also guys, I think you'll see that I changed my YouTube channel name to Rusty Dirt. That's my thing. Rusty Dirt. It's just go to name. Right? Lucky. This one is a Edgar. Is he even? Okay, I think he's doing the same tactic. He is a noob. There's a guy up there. Thank you. You don't want this. What's Brush trying to do? Up. Yeah, he's cooking. I know what he's cooking. He's cooking something.
low-key wanna win this game.
Rico's gone. I think that's a Morris, right? Yeah, it's a Morris. What the freak? Okay, we both got outed. Who died first? Please not me. I just don't want it to be. I don't want to lose anything. I don't want to lose anything.
You can't make me.
This is pretty rigged. This is so rigged. The game is just rigged. At least it's not pay to win though. It's kind of nice. Well, it's kind of pay to win, but okay. Not really good to spawn. I never got this spawn since I started to going. He can team. You want a team? He's already got a super, so no. Ollie, you don't know what I'm going through. I'm a freaking content creator. You're not. You're on YouTube right now. You're on YouTube. Oh my god. Please, Kenji, I didn't do anything to you. And you do nothing to me. Okay? You do nothing to me, I do nothing to you. Oh my god, I did. Yeah, Ollie. Oh my god. That is so... Whoa. Fang. You good. You good, mate. I'm British, mate. No, Fang. You don't want this. I know you don't like this game. Yeah, Edgar. Go on him. Jump on him. Jump on him. Jump on him! Why is everyone here? Go to mid. Go to mid. Just go to mid. Nope. Yeah, boy. I can't go there. He's gonna have a super. No. Please don't. I'm good. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh, what kid? I didn't see a kid. Okay, there's 4 brawlers left. It's me, the Buzz, the Kenji, and something else. No, Kenji, get out. Bro, Kenji, what is wrong with you? Don't be weird. Yeah, it's the other. I forgot, but there you go. Do not be weird. Don't be weird. What is that Buzz's aim, bro? The Buzz sucks. What? You gotta be kidding me.
You can't make me.
Okay. We can unlock him at this point. Should I make it part 2? You're obviously gonna have part 2, but yeah, I guess that's it for the thing.